Hey guys, so this is gardening with Agrochic. I'm going to be showing you guys how I turn the stick forest into a garden. So first of all, we had to clear the land, and I had to hire someone to clear the land. Then this is after clearing the land. This is how it now looks like. Then this is the final look. We also had to like dig up these dirt because there were a lot of dirt. That place was like a dumpy site before, and after which we began planting. That's my crew there. So first of all, what I did was that I did a manure bed because I was going to plant some vegetables. So this is my manure bed that I did. Added some food waste, and yes, so the first thing that I planted was green leaf or amaranth. So I spread the amaranth on the manure bed, then I covered it with sand. Then I also added shoko. So that's me adding the shoko leaf as well. So you plant it like this because the seeds are actually very tiny. You can hardly see the seeds. So you have to plant it in one place before you now come back later. When they've grown, you now come back and transplant it. And all of those things is what I'm going to be showing you guys. And so this is the second part. So I planted some ugu, and that was me digging a ridge for the ugu. So just like I said, I'm going to be planting a lot of vegetables on this farm. So this is the ugu that I bought, the first ugu that I bought. It was like maggots reading and eating, but I don't just understand how the Benin woman forced me to buy it. She was just convincing me that it's good. So I was looking for the head of the ugu to plant. So I planted the ugu at the four corners of the ridge that I dug. And yeah, so if you want to know how to plant ugu, I have a whole video for that. I could also even do a new video for that. But yes, so this is me planting the ugu seeds, and after which I also planted okra. So these are my okra seeds. Yes, so we're going to plant everything on this farm. So these are my okra seeds. I have two okra seeds here. I have 3 months okra and 6 months okra, and so okra that matures in 3 months and okra that matures in 6 months. And so this is the process for me planting the okra. I drew lines on the ground because I was trying to get a straight dimension. You know, now graduate farmer, I don't plant anyhow. So yeah, basically, so the lines were to make my ugu straight. So and I planted 2 okra seeds per hole. 1, 2, yes. And so that was how I planted my okra seeds, and that's how I was going from line to line, just digging the hole. I dug the hole this deep because there are a lot of animals, especially chickens. Very funny how that they can just come up and dig up the seeds. So that's why I actually dug it this deep. And yeah, so this is the whole process of planting the okra seeds. And guy, after that day, I was so tired. My mom was just laughing at me like, guy, farming is not easy, last, but we got to eat. See you on the next one.